Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I cut and style this wig right here. And I'm also going to show you guys how I install it from start to finish. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I'm here for this side part. It is clean and there's absolutely no baby hairs needed. And I'm here for that. If you guys want to see how I cut, style, install this wig, then please keep on watching. And the hair that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from Asteria hair. I have worn their hair in the past, but this will be my first time wearing one of their pre-plucked wigs. And I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. So this is what it looks like in the package. I have yet to open it. So let's see what we have here. We have 2 wig caps. With the HD wig cap, it is super thin and it is perfect for the ball cap method as well. I do have a video on how I do the ball cap method and I will link that video down below because I will be doing the ball cap method with this video. And also we have a melting band, which will be perfect for melting down the edges of the wig and also just melting down the lace on the wig as well. And we also have a bonnet. I don't know about you, but I always sleep in a bonnet, even if I have my wig on or no wig. I'm a bonnet girl. And we also have a edge brush as well. This is perfect for baby hairs and you can also use it for glue application as well. And here we have a satin bag to store our wigs. Let's see what we're working with today. Now the wig that we have, it is a 250 density, 26 inches, HD lace, small cap size. So this is how she's looking. That hairline looks nice and clean, nicely tweezed, so I don't have to do much to it to make it look good. I'm all here for that pre-bleach knots as well. Yay! 13 across, 6 in the middle. So this will allow me to do a deep side part. So you can do a center part or you can do a side part. I love when my lace is versatile and I can switch it up and I'm not restricted to just, wearing a center part and that's it. We also have the comb in the back, which for me is a must. The ones on the sides, I never use these, so I'm gonna remove these. And we also have the hair elastic as well, which is gonna be used to adjust the wig so it fits onto my head, and also hair elastic in the back, again, just to adjust the wig. And as you can see, it is nicely curled. Yay! So it's nice and bouncy. Now I'm gonna go over and go in with my curling iron to fix it up a bit once I style the wig and put it on my head. So I love that it is transparent lace. I love that. And I can tint this to work on my skin tone as well. I know it's gonna melt really nicely, I can already tell. So yeah, this is pretty much how it's looking. So let's give this wig a try. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this wig now. Okay, so here you have it. This is the wig. She got her ball cap on. I know she's sitting a little crazy, but let's just trust the process. So this is how she's looking. Absolutely love the lace on this wig because I can already tell that it's gonna melt down really, really good. Are you seeing that? It looks good. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna cut the lace. So I'm gonna cut around the ear because as you can see, it goes like really far down, it covers my ear, so we gotta cut that. And whenever I cut my lace, I like to create a part around the ear just to move the hair out of the way. And make sure that your wig is like centered properly. Okay, so this is where my ear starts. Like, I should turn that off. All right, so as you can see, I already parted the hair and I'm gonna cut away all that extra lace that I don't need and then pull my ear out so that way the wig is not covering my ear. And I did the same thing on the other side as well. All right, so I cut the sides off and it's looking good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and glue this lace down. And the glue that I'm using is my Sticky Little Secret lace glue. We're completely out of stock right now, you guys. We will be restocking soon, so again. We'll be restocking soon. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this along my forehead area. And just in case if you guys are wondering why the bottle is not pink, this is actually a sample. So that's why. Apply that glue with my rat tail. Well, this is not a rat tail comb. This is the edge brush. All right, as you can see, I'm adding the second layer of glue. You wanna wait until the glue dries clear. Sometimes I can be a little impatient, but it's dry clear now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that lace down. And then once the lace is down, I'm just kind of pressing that into my skin. All right, so now I'm gonna do the double melt method. Someone just woke up from their nap.
It's gonna be fixed.
Yes, okay, so back to what I was saying. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this on my head. I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then come back to it. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this. Ooh, she looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Now I realized after I put the melting band down that I did not glue this part down as yet, but it's all good because I'm just gonna glue it down once I cut away the lace. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm gonna cut away the extra lace. As you can see, I'm just cutting it very jagged, so not like super straight across because then it doesn't look as seamless. And just make sure you get every bit of lace that you do not need, and then I'm gonna go back in with the lace glue and just apply it in the areas that I did not apply it in before. Now I'm gonna go in with the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and then I'm gonna tie this down and do my makeup off camera. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with that melting spray, and I'm just going to tap a little bit of that on the hairline, and a little goes a long way. And then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and then once I blow dry, then I add my melting band. It looks pretty good and I'm here for it. So I just want you guys to see how it's looking. So this is how she looks. Now we're gonna be doing a side part today, and I'm gonna do, I think, a deep side part, and I'm gonna cut some layers in this hair. I mean, it's long, it's beautiful. All right, so this is how the hair is looking in the center and the length. It looks great. However, I'm gonna add some layers to it, but I'm really feeling the texture on this hair, the body weave texture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Listen, I am not a professional when it comes to cutting hair, so don't judge me. All right, so make sure you go in with some good scissors and not the cooking ones, because I used to do that too and didn't do a good job of cutting my hair. But I just have to get up close. Do you see that hairline? It looks good. It looks really good, and I'm here for it. Okay, let's go back to cutting. So I'm just cutting some short layers in the front of the hair to create some layers, of course. But yeah, this is pretty much how it's looking, and I'm quite content with this. All right, so now that I'm done cutting this hair, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna switch the part over to a center part. So just so you guys can see what it looks like once again. I said switch to a center part. It's already a center part, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna switch over to a side part. So this is how it looks, center. I actually really love it like this, but I can switch it up every now and then. I like that I can switch it up every now and then. So now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, and I'm gonna flatten down this wig. I did with the center part, but in order to change the part, you have to go in with the hot comb. I love the body wave, so I really don't need to do too much curling to this whatsoever. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this over to the side. Now, when I do a side part, I kind of like that, like this method, just, you know, freestyle method. Don't really do any part whatsoever. So that's naturally how I would wear it. I mean, obviously I would take out the center part, but that's just how I've been wearing it recently. Like just like that effortless, like 90s side sweep, but not like an actual part in there. So that's how I would normally do it. But for this video, I'm gonna do a part just so you guys can see how it looks when you part it, and see, look at the layers. Oh, honey, she's gonna look so good when I'm done with her. If I need to go deeper, I can always go deeper. And I'm gonna go in with that hot comb, and I'm gonna go in with some hair wax as well. You can get hair wax on Amazon. This one I got it from one of the wig companies. So I like using wax, but sometimes it can leave the wig feeling greasy. So you gotta be like mindful of how much you use. And I like to put some at the side. Then I'm gonna go in with the hot comb. And see, when I cut it, I like to cut it in a center part instead of cutting it in a side part. So with this side, I'm gonna cut a little bit more layers, but I like the layers on this side. All right, so that just looks super clean. I love it. Now I'm going in with the water bottle just to recurl the front with my Dyson ear wrap that has been giving me problems. I need to get it checked out. But yeah, anywho, yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and curl, and the curls look great. I love the fact that this wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleach. I didn't have to bleach it and wash out the body wave. I'm here for the body wave curls. I didn't really have to do a whole lot of styling to it. I just styled the front and cut the layers, and this is pretty much the finished look. I didn't do any baby hairs with it because this lace was just so clean and flawless and just, it was everything. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you did. Let me know what you guys think of this hair as well. Let me know if you like the center part or the side part more. I personally love them both. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.